If you're thinking about renting a car from Sixt, there are some very important things you should know first. Because honestly, Sixt has one of the most mixed reputations in the rental car industry right now. Some travelers absolutely love it, while others say it became a complete nightmare afterward. So in this video, we're talking about the real truth behind Sixt rental car, the pros, the cons, what customers complain about the most, and whether it's actually worth using in 2026. First, what is Sixt? Sixt is a global rental car company originally from Germany. The company operates in Europe, the United States, Latin America, and many major airports worldwide. And honestly, one reason Sixt became so popular is because they often offer newer and more premium-looking cars than many competitors, especially vehicles like BMW, Mercedes, Audi, and luxury SUVs. A lot of customers say the cars themselves usually feel modern, clean, and well-maintained. And honestly, that's probably the company's biggest strength overall. Now, another thing, many people like competitive pricing. Sometimes Sixt prices are surprisingly cheaper than other premium rental companies, especially for higher-end vehicles. And honestly, that's one reason travelers decide to try them in the first place. Now let's talk about the negatives, because honestly, this is where the controversy starts. One of the biggest complaints online involves unexpected charges and damage claims. A lot of customers say they were billed for small scratches, wheel damage, cleaning fees, or tiny cosmetic issues after returning the car. And honestly, this is probably the #1 warning people mention online. Now, another major complaint: customer service during disputes. Some users say everything feels smooth until a billing problem appears. Then suddenly getting support becomes frustrating and stressful, especially after the rental is already completed. Now, another important thing: some Sixt locations now use AI vehicle scanning systems. These systems automatically inspect the car before and after rentals, looking for damage. And honestly, some customers claim the systems flagged pre-existing marks or tiny scratches they never noticed. Now, to be fair, not everybody has bad experiences with Sixt. Many travelers say their rentals go perfectly fine, especially when they carefully inspect the vehicle before driving away. Some people even say Sixt became their favorite rental company because the fleet feels newer and more premium than competitors. Now here's the most important advice. If you rent from Sixt, always take detailed photos and videos of the vehicle before and after the rental. And honestly, this is absolutely critical now. Especially the wheels, bumpers, mirrors, windshield, and every small scratch. Because if any dispute happens later, that evidence could protect you. Now, another thing worth mentioning: read the insurance terms very carefully. Some travelers say they felt pressured into buying additional protection plans during pickup. And honestly, many people do not fully understand the liability rules until problems happen afterward. Now, let's talk about the app and booking process, because honestly, Sixt's app and website are usually considered very modern and easy to use. Booking is simple, the interface feels clean, and airport pickup locations are often organized better than smaller rental brands. So operationally, the company definitely feels more premium overall. Now, let's be honest. For a second, Sixt is not a fake company or scam business. It's one of the biggest rental car brands in the world, and millions of people rent from them successfully every year. But honestly, the company also receives a lot of complaints involving damage disputes, unexpected charges, and stressful billing situations afterward. So your experience may depend heavily on the location, the staff, and how carefully you document everything. So to wrap this up, Sixt may actually be a great option if you want newer vehicles, luxury cars, and competitive pricing. But honestly, you should be extra careful with vehicle inspections, photos, insurance terms, and return documentation. Because while many customers have smooth experiences, others end up dealing with stressful disputes after the rental is over. And honestly, being extremely careful before leaving the parking lot may save you a massive headache later.